Hi, I'm back. I did not have access to my channel. I didn't have access to my computer. My computer crashed, my hard drive crashed, all of that. So I wasn't able to post part 2 of the handmade skincare workshop that I promised like over 2 weeks ago. So I wanted to pop in here before I actually post the video tomorrow to let you guys know what was going on and that I'm not just randomly disappearing and forgetting what I promised. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna start uploading on the same schedule I used to, once a week. Hopefully I'll bring it up to twice a week, but I'll definitely at least have one video a week to share and build out this workshop in the way that I wanted to, and to provide as much value as I possibly can in these upcoming videos. I noticed I got a lot of new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. I also noticed that when I signed on today, I saw a lot of new comments. I will respond to these comments today as well. Hopefully by that time this is uploaded, I would have already responded to your comments. So sorry for the late replies. And thanks again for supporting my channel. If you are interested in, learning tips and tricks about starting a handmade skincare business, definitely subscribe and check out my channel. To my regular subscribers, thanks for supporting. See you in my video tomorrow, and I won't be gone. I won't disappear like this again, and hopefully I'll hit the milestone where I can at least post on the community section. So if you guys get me to 500 subscribers, I'll be able to post in the community section, actually type in there when I'm not available or missing, or if something is happening, I'll be able to type in the community section. Because as you guys know, I do have a Instagram account, which would have been useful to communicate with you during this time. But with my goal of building this channel and creating as much value as possible, I dedicated my time to only focusing on one thing, and this one thing is YouTube. So as a result, I will not be giving that any energy until I'm able to grow the community here and nurture the community here in the way that I'd like to. The only way I'll probably be on there is like if you have like a specific question and you just cannot leave it in the comment section, and you maybe didn't email me, you send me a message and I'll see it. Probably not as soon as I'll see my YouTube comments, but I'll see it eventually and I'll be able to respond to you. Anywho, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the summer. It's very hot here. I am not home, so that's the next thing too. I've been moving around and trying to get a space that I can record properly for you guys, but I'm not home. It's pretty hot, and I hope you guys thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.